On problem number 7, we're discussing the population of Bulgaria back in the early 2000s. They tell us the initial population in 2001 was about 7.7 million people, and the estimated constant of proportionality is about negative 0.009. Now, the fact that k is negative means we have decay. Looks like the population of Bulgaria is shrinking. And these data are given to us compliments of the U.S. Census Bureau. So let's get started with part A. And they ask us, what was the population of Bulgaria in 2000? Well, there's a couple ways to go about this. Here's what I'm thinking about. Y equals c times e to the k times t power. This is our exponential growth and decay model. They didn't tell us any other specific formula to use, so we're talking about growth and decay. We're going to refer to the growth and decay model, the general form. And we'll go y equals c equals k equals and t equals. Now, there's different ways to think about this. The way I'm doing it is not the only way. But I'll say y is the ending amount. We don't know. C is the starting amount, about 7.7 million. I'm just going to write 7.7. We'll have to remember that our answer is in millions of people. K is about negative 0.009. And T, now, they give us the population starting in 2001. They want to know the population in the year 2000. That's 1 year prior. So I'm going to say T is negative 1. Again, there's other ways to go about this. So now we'll just go to our calculator and we'll type in this. Say 7.7 times e to the negative 0.009 times negative 1 power. Now keep in mind, if this population is decreasing, then in 2000 there should be more people than there were in 2001. So expect to see a number a little bigger than 7.7. Let's see what we get. You can see we get about 7.7696. If we round to 3 decimal places, we're going to have to round up. So y is about 7.770. So in 2000, the population of Bulgaria was about 7.770 million people. Little trivia note you might or might not know, Bulgaria traditionally has a strong international wrestling team. All right. Now they want us to predict the population of Bulgaria in 2015. So let's set that one up, and then we'll use our calculator. In part B, again, we're going to use the growth and decay model. We know y is the unknown. We know c, 7.7 million people about. K is still negative 0.009. And T, here's where we have to be careful, 2015. Remember, they gave us a population starting in 2001, so in 2015, it's 14 years after the initial value was given to us. So we're going to type into our calculator 7.7 times e 0.009 times 14. Now, remember, if the population is shrinking, we expect our answer now to be less than 7.7. Let's see what we get on our calculator. We get about 6.788 people. I'm sorry, not 6.788 people. 6.788 million people. So now we can say the population of Bulgaria in 2015 will be about 6.788 million people. Well, let's see, it's 2013 right now. So in 2 years, near the end of your sophomore year in college, why don't you look up the population of Bulgaria online, see how accurate our prediction is. And now in part C, it says, discuss the relationship between the sine of, that's a typo, it says psi of k, it's supposed to be sine of k, and the change in population of Bulgaria. Put this in your own words, but you should say something to the effect that, in part C, since k has a negative value, the population of Bulgaria is decreasing. Okay. Well, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully it was helpful.